kids, welcome to Kit Kat Kids. And now let's learn A, B, C together.
A for apple.
Apple.
B for ball.
Ball.
C for cat.
Cat.
D for dog.
Dog.
E for elephant.
Elephant.
F for fish.
Apple fish.
G for giraffe.
Giraffe.
H for horse.
Toy.
I for ice cream.
Apple.
J for jelly.
Apple.
K for kite.
Apple cat.
L for lion.
Lion.
M for monkey.
Apple.
N for nest.
Internet.
O for owl.
Apple.
P for parrot.
People talent.
Q for queen.
Couple.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit.
S for sun.
One.
T for tiger.
People talent.
U for umbrella.
People umbrella.
V for violin.
People violin.
W for whale.
Double toy.
X for x-ray.
Toy.
Y for yak.
Apple.
Z for zebra.
Apple.